living like
Yeah, I think mentally also, that is like when you spend a few days without lights, right, in the darkness, and quite a few hours in the darkness, because you think, I mean, as soon as it becomes dark, you don't go to bed, right? You don't know. We usually don't know. We don't pay attention to the amount of time that we are awake, that we are conscious, while it's dark outside, right? Because we're never in the dark. We're always with light. We only turn the lights off when we want to go to sleep, like when we're like ready. And even then, we keep a night light on a thing, you know what I mean? So I think mentally it's going to take a hit on us, I think, if we get to spend more than a couple of days of that power. And I think people don't get it. I think it's going to take for them to experience it, and they're like, oh my
that's
God.
what it is. It's like we've been disconnected from nature to such a point that we're used to being surrounded by this kind of artificial landscape that we've created, right? Not that it's not useful.
It's artificial day.
Yeah, it's an artificial
But it's
day.
at night. Yeah.
It's extended artificial day.
Yeah.
That's a good way of looking at it. And we're not used to having to deal with the actual length of the day, and then the lights go off, and then now you got to deal with the actual night.
Yeah.
And then it's almost like if we're deep inside, we're still little children who are afraid of the dark.
The darkness. The boogeyman.